Thank you for purchasing a ScanSnap scanner. This video simply explains how to place a document in your ScanSnap and complete a scan. Open the cover, and the scanner will automatically turn on. Place the document by turning its backside toward you, and the top edge facing downward. ScanSnap allows you to save scan profiles that include a preset destination for saving scans. You can also preset items like the color, feed, and more. On models with a touchscreen, profiles appear as icons on the touchscreen. If you are using a ScanSnap that has a touchscreen, select the profile on the touchscreen that meets the purpose and press the Scan button. ScanSnap comes with a quick menu, a convenient profile where you can select from a range of saved destinations after making a scan. On a model without a touchscreen, you only have to place a document and press the Scan button for simple, one-touch operation. Scans are made with the quick menu profile by default. Using the quick menu, many different saved destinations are available to suit your desired purpose. You can scan to folders, email, cloud services, and more. You can also drag and drop to the supported software application. For easy data management of your scans, select ScanSnap Home as your destination from the quick menu. This will open up the ScanSnap Home window where your data will be saved. ScanSnap Home is an all-in-one software where you can perform scan operations, set profiles, and organize your scan data, such as documents, receipts, and business cards, to search and edit. Next, this video explains how to change scan settings. Click the Open Scan Window button to open the scan window with multiple profiles. In this window, you can select a profile icon to scan a document, as well as change settings to preferred settings, or add profile icons. Press the Edit Profiles button to open a new window where you can change scan settings. You can press the Detailed Settings button to change more detailed settings. For example, by checkmarking Convert to Searchable PDF in the File Format tab, you can save a scanned document as a searchable PDF. Congratulations! You are now ready to start scanning with ScanSnap. To learn more ways you can use your ScanSnap, access this website. Explore videos with the many different functions and ways you can use your scanner.